Hey guys, it's time for a M1 Power Rankings installment. Last week was my first installment, Power Rankings number 1, where I went over my top 5 stocks and top or bottom 5 stocks in my M1 portfolio. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. It really shows you the movement and what I added, what I decreased. M1 Finance, for those of you that don't know, is a great platform where you can buy fractional shares or shares at your own pace and get into stocks, and you can get into fractional shares. You can get into Amazon without buying a full share, etc. So I will have a link down below, and they do have a promotion, $20 added to your account when you deposit 100. So that's basically 20% added to your account right off the bat. And as a disclaimer, I will get $20 as well to add to my account. So do your own due diligence before you invest. This is my portfolio. This is what I do. So have your own strategy and follow your own rules. So let's get into this week's power rankings. So as you can see, my account is currently at $3,400.57. This is my weekly, so we did have a good week. We had some of the techs bounce back and a good overall bounce off the chart of the SPY. So hopefully that'll continue next week. So I'm up almost 3% for the week. So let's go right into the power rankings. I want to keep this video fairly short. So the holdings, let's go into the bottom 5. So last week's bottom 5, I'll try to get this in the future where I kind of have a way to show them last week. But basically, last week's number 1 bottom 5 was NVIDIA. Shop was number 2. Amazon was number 3. BX was number 4. And Netflix was number 5. So we did have a little bit of movement. Shop did have a very good week, so it bounced out of the top 5. NVIDIA still stayed the bottom, but it did have a good bounce back as well. Amazon, so as we can see, 3 out of the 5 are still the tech stocks. TAIT and BX. Last week I did add to BX. I think I added to Netflix on Tuesday, which is my open day. Those are the 2 I added to on the bottom 5. And this week I'll probably add more to TAIT. I have a little bit less value in this one overall. And so on my Tuesday, as of if you don't know, M1 Finance, I have deposits every day where I deposit $25 or $35, except for Tuesday. Tuesday is the day where I put in whatever amount, and it's usually right around $100 on the Tuesday, just so I can buy the stocks I want. And I'm actually picking all the other days. I let M1 Finance buy the stocks based on my portfolio's value. On Tuesday, I pick the stocks on exactly what I want bought that day. So let's go into the top 5. The top 5 last week, McDonald's was number 1. Procter & Gamble was number 2, Walmart was number 3, O was number 4, and Ford was number 5. So we had a little movement. The biggest movement, obviously, was Starbucks moved from outside the top 5 last week till number 1 this week. That was due to earnings yesterday, and it had a big move. McDonald's is one of my favorite stocks. That's one that's in number 2. Coca-Cola number 3, Walmart number 4, Procter & Gamble number 5. So as you can see, the top 5, again like last week, it's been a down market lately. So the consumer, defense type stocks are the ones that rise to the top. So if you have any questions on this account, feel free to leave it down below. You can follow my different types of investment type videos. I have different style of videos where I show M1 Finance, of course. I show Fundrise real estate trading. I show personal loans, and as of yesterday, I showed a day trade that I made. So that was a different style. It was my first attempt at that type of video. So if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button, and you will get all notifications on the different type of videos I'm doing. So out of this top five, I probably will buy more Starbucks and probably more McDonald's. McDonald's is, I think, my number one holding so far. Let's kind of look by value. Yeah, McDonald's and Coca-Cola are my two top value stocks of what I'm currently holding. So I will continue to buy them as well. So thanks again for watching. I hope you like this power rankings, and as it evolves, it probably will get more, more high tech on my end. Basically, I'm just kind of showing you and myself on what's moving, what's lacking, what's maybe having a dip, what stocks I need to get rid of, what stocks I need to add to, and it really benefits me to see the differences every week, and hopefully it benefits you as well. So thank you. Have a good investing out there. Bye.